Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Z Plus Academy channel. Today, I am going to deal physical chemistry of 9th class in India. That's mole concept. It's very easy. Mole is the bigger unit of amount of substance, right? It is the 7th SI unit, fundamental SI unit of physical quantity, amount of substance. Then amount of substance, I will also use Hindi language ambidextrous. Amount of substance is always measured in mole, right? And this mole is related with three contents: mass of substance, number of substance, sorry, here I am giving mass, number, and third one is volume. मीन्स किसी भी सब्सटेंस की जब मोल कॉन्सेप्ट, मोल अवधारणा की बात करते हैं तो उसमें तीन फैक्टर्स आते हैं। तीन फैक्टर्स को मोल के रूप में पहचाना जाता है, राइट? इट इज आइडेंटिफाइड इन थ्री कंटेंट्स, दैट इज मास, नंबर एंड वॉल्यूम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मास, व्हेन मोल ऑफ मास, राइट? मोलर मास की जब बात करेंगे तो ये मोलर मास विल बी इक्वल टू ग्राम एटॉमिक मास ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट। किसी भी एलिमेंट के ग्राम एटॉमिक मास के बराबर होगा मोल। और अगर किसी कंपाउंड की बात करेंगे तो उस कंपाउंड के ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास के बराबर होगा। ग्राम, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू ग्राम मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ दैट सब्सटेंस, राइट? सपोज दैट atomic mass of oxygen is 16, then if molar mass of oxygen atom is taken, this will be written as 16 gram, then gram atomic mass of oxygen element will be 16 gram. But if oxygen compound, this oxygen gas molecule is taken, then mole of mass will be equal to O2, 2 into 16 is equal to 32 units. Then if molecular mass is given, then mole of molecular mass, ठीक, molar mass regarding that compound molecular mass of oxygen will be taken 32 gram. This is the explanation when mole of mass या molar mass is taken. In brief, molar mass is gram atomic mass for any element and molar mass is gram molecular mass for any compound. Here example is just illustrating all these contents, whatever I said. Now next, molar number. What is molar number? Then again, element, suppose that if one mole of atoms is taken, this will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is our Avogadro number. If one mole of molecules is taken, this two will be equal to this N0. This is our Avogadro number. This will be also Avogadro number molecules. If 1 mole of ions is taken, then the same number of ions will be taken. This is molar number. Molar number is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles, and this is known as Avogadro number, right? Now, if suppose that I am giving you example, 1 mole of oxygen atom, 1 mole of oxygen atom, when 1 mole of oxygen atom will be taken, then what will be number of atoms? The same Avogadro number will be oxygen atoms. If 1 mole of oxygen molecule is taken, 1 mole of oxygen molecule is taken, then same this number of molecules as I have explained you here below. Now I am telling you about the volume. Now when we just take, जब हम मोलर वॉल्यूम की बात करेंगे, स्पेशली दिस वॉल्यूम इज टेकन फॉर gaseous compounds. This is taken for gaseous compounds. Then 1 mole volume of any gaseous compound will be equal to 22.4 liter at STP. What is STP? Standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is taken 0 degrees Celsius and standard pressure is taken 1 atmospheric pressure. At these standard temperature pressure condition, means 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, every gaseous compound will have volume 22.4 liter, right? Or you can say 22,400 ml, right? This volume. Then volume of, if I take volume of 1 mole of O2, what will be this? 22.4 liter. 1 मोल ऑक्सीजन का वॉल्यूम इतना होगा. The same volume of 1 mole of H2, then same 22.4. If volume of 1 mole of NH3 is taken, then the same volume, right? These two will have same volume 22.4 liter. If I say how much volume half mole of O2 will have, then if 1 mole having volume 22.4 liter, then half mole of O2 will have 11.2. Means this 1 mole volume divided by 2, then half mole volume will be 11.2 liter or 11,200 ml, right? Now these three things means molar mass, molar number and molar volumes are taken in entire whole concept. Then this is very simple and easy, and on the basis of this you can calculate any type of calculation, right? Now those, if contents and teaching of this channel is efficient, then please like and subscribe this channel and share it to maximum members so that this channel be promoted up to its height. It's okay. Thank you very much. We are meeting with new video very soon. Till that, bye bye.